It feels so fresh, you know, like, yeah, it feels so like yesterday, like still under the honeymoon phase. See how slow he's moving because he's going to drive. He knows. You want to walk on the street? You can walk on the road. I'll walk here because I want to capture the sidewalk. See what it's like. It's a lot crappy. Oh yes. As you could see, the difference between this person here, who has done some work here. This person has done some work. Look at this person right here. You see? So just imagine sidewalk from this way and the sidewalk from here. So this person hasn't done any shuttering yet on their side, right here. Right? So you can see the difference between these two properties. Right? And look at the difference between this one here. This person has actually completed a nice clean and put salt. So the salt is melting the snow. That's why you can see the concrete right now. This one they put some salt, but the snow came back on and they haven't put some new ones. There you go. You can see the concrete here. If you look carefully, you can see the salt. You can see the concrete. The concrete. They're shoveling snow. You see how they're cracking it? It's gonna turn to ice. You know? This right here. See, this is still a little fluffy, but this is gonna turn to ice. If this doesn't not pick that up, it's gonna turn to ice. That's gonna encase that car to ice. I'll try to see if I can maybe take a walk tomorrow and see how bad it becomes. See, no, they haven't shoveled the snow around this fence yet. This property, and that's between 48th Avenue on 92nd Street and 50th Ave. 2nd Street in Elmhurst. Look at these little birdies. They're finding something here. That's why they're down here. Look at these little birdies. They're finding something. Look at it. Oh, look at all these birds, man. I didn't even see them. You want to take a picture of them? Yeah, look at all these birdies. Look at the wind. You can see in the distance here, you can see how when the wind chop off the trees, and it's more. Look at it. Oops, that would have been a nice video. See, they're finding something on the ground. I don't know what they're finding, the birdies. See, now they come back on the ground. Let me see if I can get a closer picture of them. Let me see if they let me get close. Oh, they don't let me get close. This is nice. Oh, this is beautiful. I got some more right here. Look, they're finding something in this stuff. Nobody knows what. Oh, it's deep, right? So this person did something. You could see the height. I think they come down. You could see the height of it. How it popped up. This person did some clean here. Here we go. Oh. construction that went on junction of 92nd Street and Corona. This is Corona Temple. Some cleaning have been done here. If you look, I'll show you something. Look carefully. You could see the ice. See that? See ice at the window. Condensation from outside, from inside. It's warm, and it's creating the water. And because of the temperature outside, it creates that ice on the glass. That's an example of the level of condensation that you have. Today would have been a good day to do laundry, Mahal. Huh? So now we're heading on, we're on Corona, heading towards 93rd Street, sorry. The other direction was 93rd place. 91st place, sorry. Alright. 91st. Yeah, here we go. This is what the sun looks like. This white stuff. This is what they call slush. So today is Saturday, January 29th, and this is the first blizzard for 2022. First blizzard. The hair is getting a little slippery here. Oh yeah. Whew, it's cold, my nose is dripping, man. You gonna go straight to Cherry Blossom? Okay. Take a walk in there. Corona 94th Street. The bus stop for Corona 94th Street. Seen that before. They haven't even cleared the bus stop yet. Whoever is responsible for that bus stop have not even cleared yet. You can see how the snow is piled up there. They haven't cleared that yet. But the city hires sometimes private contractors to do that. Yeah. Snow. Seems like they're gonna put a traffic light here at this junction right here. Woo. My hands start freezing now. You have double gloves? Yeah. No, I don't. So I'm gonna be glad when I enter that supermarket to stay for a little while. Oh, shoveling outside. Jeep Cherokee, they're pretty good in the snow. And those Jeep Cherokees don't know too much about the Honda. Now look at this. This is a pile of snow right here. To jump over this to get to the road would be. I wish I could show something here. Hold on. Look. See how deep this is. Just to show. See how thick this is here. How bad this is. See how thick this is. Just wanted to show how thick that is. Then to get out of there before the vehicle slide off and jump me. So let me get out of their way. Amal, you want to cross here? The roads are pretty good in the snow, but snow is snow. Follow me, don't stop, follow me. Come this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. venue for party. There's a party venue right there. So we're gonna go to the supermarket called Cherry Valley. I said Cherry Blossom, it's Cherry Valley, man. Yeah, I always call it Cherry Blossom. I don't know why. Maybe because of the flower? Maybe. Who knows? Nobody knows why I call things the way I call them. Oh, according to the sign on the supermarket, Cherry Valley, always fresh, open 24 hours. So you got, it's a deli, produce, bakery, meats, dairy, hot foods, right? So I guess you can get all these things here. Deli, produce, bakery, meats, dairy, hot foods. And it's right here, this. The next junction down there, that's Junction Avenue. Or Junction Boulevard, I believe. Junction Boulevard and Corona Avenue. Junction Boulevard and Corona Avenue. And this is this. Oh, it's cold outside. Let's see. Winter milk. Small ones. It's on there. Oh. This is the deli that they talk about. The very first thing you saw was the deli. This is the food. They have good stuff. They have some good stuff here. You choose. They're already prepared. You just have to select what you want, and then they're gonna put it for you. That's it. You know. Maybe trying to get my video. I'm trying to get in my video. So this is all they got set up already. You got whole chicken. You know, that's already ready to go. Again, this is the deli section. There. And you got the fruit section here. Fruit section. You got lines 10 for 5. Right, as an example. You got lemon 10 for 5. Same price. Normally the lemon is a little more expensive than the lime. But I guess they have it at a different price. Granny apple, $2.29. And this is part of the section right here. Florida orange, 10 for 5. Your mangoes, 2 for 4. Navel orange, 4 for 5. You know, time it goes on. Clementine, $6.99 for a packet. How many in the pack? 3, 6, 9, 10. I see 10 in a pack. So bananas, organic they call it. $1.49. I don't know about all that. Papaya, $2.39. Cantaloupe, $3.99. Yeah. And we got the section right here. Stop. Look. 99 cents a pound for this bad boy. This is coyote, this is coyote also, this one. Negro coyote, coyote spoon, $1.49 each. This is what we call in English crystal fiend, I think. For those people who knows crystal fiend, that's crystal fiend. This is ginger, like that here. Let me go back to the deli right here. So this is what you're looking at. You got, what do you call that one? Cabacho squash, and they call that one calabaza. So they look the same, but they have different names, I guess. Doesn't make a difference. That's what it is. Let's get some more stuff here. There's some more stuff here. This is Cherry Valley Supermarket. Let me just take a quick walk. I missed some stuff. Let me just slow down here a little bit. You got cinnamon in the thing. $5.99 for the cinnamon stuff. You got all the little packs of stuff here. This is good, they say. Aloe vera, good stuff. I don't see a price, so potatoes. Baked potato they call it here. Idaho potato. $4.99 for the pack. How many? 5 pounds. 5 pounds here. And let me just take a walk back this way. Let me see how many minutes I got. There you go. I missed this one. This dry coconut, $1.99 each. Dry coconut, $1.99. Yeah, lots of sweet potatoes. And then, so they have other stuff here that they sell. You want to get pots and cups and they got toys, I guess. I guess they got a mixed bag of stuff here. If you want pots, if you want toys for the kids, you can get a little some you know, chafing dish. You can get that. How much for the chafing dish? 8 quart, $42.99. And then you got all the utensils here. You got a variety of utensils here, different utensils. Here comes for those of us who love our beer, Corona. They got this other one there, same factory makes that, you know, different beer here. You got rice, you got different types of rice, long grain, Carolina, yeah, different types of rice. My wife normally uses jasmine rice. I don't see any jasmine rice here. That's her forte. Here we go, more beer. Hello, Celatos. You got Presidente. This is from the DR. So this is Mexico. This is DR, and this is Belgium. So you have variety. You have Bex. You got hot salsa here. Hot soda. Salsa. Corona Familia, you got Heineken, Bud Light, Modelo. You got your regular sodas, you know. You got Inca Cola, you got Sprite, you got Fanta. And this is it. Sort of $2.99 for one of these. I got ginger ale. Oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, $8.99 for canola oil, free solid. So, and then you got your meat section. This is your meat section here. Variety of meat, different cuts that you're looking for. You have it here. Tripe, right here. You got pork. That's pork feet, I believe. And here is the pork section. For those of you who love your pork, this is the pork section right here. Pork section. Whatever pork you want. You know? Pork section. Shoulder, pork shoulder. This one is $1.99 a pound. So the pork shoulder is $1.99 a pound, so you can get your pork shoulder. The feet, kind of pork feet. $1.59 a pound for the feet. This is skin, pork skin. They sell everything, man. $1.59 for pork skin. That's the skin. That's more skin. You know, the pork belly. For those who like to fry, like my wife, they like pork belly in the Philippines, so that would be something they'll get. That's $4.99 a pound for the pork belly. So it depends on the cut that you want, will determine the price. This is $2.99 a pound. That's pork shoulder, but it's already sliced.